Do you ever feel like love is something you're chasing? Whether it's self-love, a deeper connection with someone else, or simply peace in your relationships? This Valentine's Day, take a moment to pause and realign. In this video, we'll guide you through a mindful crystal ritual that can help you attract love, heal your heart, and create harmony. No matter where you are on your journey, this practice is for you. Crystals have been used for centuries for their energetic properties, especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Today, we'll dive into a step-by-step ritual using 3 powerful crystals: rose quartz, garnet, and amethyst. Whether you're calling love into your life or deepening the love you already have, this ritual will help you align with the energy of love and harmony. Step 1. Create your sacred space. This is where you'll focus your energy and intentions. Light a pink or red candle to symbolize love and passion. The flame represents transformation and the spark of love. Arrange your crystals. Rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love, opening your heart to self-love and healing. Garnet, a powerful crystal for passion and commitment, perfect for enhancing intimacy and connection. Amethyst, known for its calming and balancing energy, it helps to create emotional peace and deepen bonds. Add fresh flowers, rose petals, or essential oils like rose or lavender to elevate the loving energy in your space. Step 2. Ground yourself before setting your intention. Sit in your comfy space and hold your rose quartz crystal in your hands. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale love and gratitude. Exhale tension and negativity. Feel yourself becoming present, connected to your body, and open to the energy around you. Step 3. Set your intention. Crystals amplify your thoughts and emotions, so it's essential to be clear about what you're inviting into your life. Hold the rose quartz close to your heart and say your intentions out loud. For example, I open my heart to unconditional love. I invite peace and harmony into my relationships. I release the past hurt and embrace love fully. Visualize the energy of love flowing into your heart and radiating outward like a warm pink light surrounding you. Step 4. Deepen the ritual. Now, let's deepen the ritual by using your crystals in everyday life. Rose quartz. Carry it with you throughout the day as a reminder of your intention. You can also place it under your pillow to promote loving dreams. Garnet. Place it in your bedroom or wear it as jewelry to encourage intimacy and passion in your relationship. Amethyst. Keep it in your meditation space or on your bedside table to maintain emotional balance and harmony. Step 5. Close the ritual. To close the ritual, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself, for the love in your life, and for the intentions you've set. Gently extinguish the candle, knowing your intentions are now in motion. Place the crystals in a special spot where they'll continue to radiate love and energy. By closing with gratitude, you anchor your energy and invite more love into your life. this Valentine's Day, take time to connect with the energy of love. Whether you're nurturing your own heart, deepening a relationship, or opening yourself to new possibilities, this crystal ritual is a gentle reminder that love begins within. Remember, the energy you cultivate in yourself is the love you bring to the world. If you tried this ritual, comment below. What intention are you setting this Valentine's Day? If this video inspired you, please like and subscribe for more mindful practices and tips. Let's create a community rooted in love and positivity.